What's up, guys? This is Preston. Welcome back to another video. And yes, what you see on is merch that's gonna come to the store soon for you guys. United we stand. United we stand. That's what it means. United we stand. And Exotic Car Blacklist. And if you're interested, hit your boy up. Let me know. Leave me a comment. Hit me up on Instagram, or just go to exoticcarblacklist.com. It will be there available for sale. So with that out the way, let's look at the fit that we got on for today. Fresh from head to toe. We do have long sleeve shirts on the website, and we will have short sleeve shirts on the website, and we will start getting that merch game popping. Finally, the day is here. I'm gonna burn off these 305s that I bought for y'all only for the video. I bought them specifically to burn off for a video. I haven't did a donut, I haven't did a burnout, I haven't did any type of hard acceleration for a full week because I've been trying to preserve these tires for y'all. But let's hop in the car. It's time to get rolling. It's time to go to our destination, so we can work on drifting, because your boy is going to become a pro car driver. And yes, since I was told that we need cold starts in our video, today we shall cold start the beast for our video. Here we go. This bitch is loud. Let's get in the car and let's get rolling. All right, guys, so we back. So we about to go. We waiting on 2 more people to get here. We got, look, I don't know everybody's name, so y'all gotta excuse this vlog. Mad Scatter.
I was mad.
Helgato 704. What's your Instagram?
Jay Zanny.
J.Zanny. J-A-Y? Z-A-N-Y?
X-A-N-N-Y.
Bro, spell your Instagram. What's your Instagram?
J-A-Y.
Yep.
Dot X-A-N-N-Y.
All right, y'all heard it. I can't repeat that. All right. Then we got Santana Scat. Y'all know him. Obviously, you got the beast down there. And then you got guys. What's it, guy's son?
D.2times_.
Oh, see, D.2times_. Drop your Instagram. I know it, but they don't.
Or Focus Film Charlotte.
Okay.
Fill-in photography.
Okay.
Queen City Cars Official.
All right, so y'all should already know these 3 because y'all seen them before, but we got the guys here, the professionals. So now we just waiting on 2 more, then we're gonna roll out, burn these tires off, and then throw these 315s on. All right, y'all, so we are officially at our location, and your boy is definitely about to start his drift practice now. We got everybody here, the whole gang is out here. Our old spot got speed bumps put up over there, so obviously we're not hitting that no more, but we got our cone set up here. Cone right there, and cone right there. So let's get this practice started, and it's time to learn how to do this figure 8 today. So stick with us and let's get going. I gotta drop the temperature gauge. Why? Huh?
Doing that business coming outside. They on the phone and shit.
Oh, let's go ahead and roll in. All right, guys. So apparently they're calling the cops. So let's see what's going on. So apparently we're gonna meet at the car wash up the street because people's calling the cops. All right, y'all. So we are at our last location here because I know the tire's not gonna last too much longer. Y'all good? No, they're just tires. Yeah, I burned these off to go get them changed today. I'd be down with that. I'd definitely be down with that. That's a good idea, dog.
You don't have much shit. Look how much it on.
Bruh, god dang. Y'all, this is, whatever it is right here, we're gonna call this the tire grinder because this ate my tires up. That's a slick. That's literally a slick. That's crazy, man. Look, I burned some tires up for YouTube. What in the f is going on in this world? But I hope you guys enjoyed that because all my people did. And I will tag everybody here so you can follow them. But literally, this payment is like rocks. This is literally rocks. But it ate my tire very, very fast.
You better hope it don't rain.
Right. Right. We got some people over there in the distance, and they are literally videoing. There's 3 draws in the sky, man. They just out here right now.
Yo, look in the woods.
Damn, look at the woods. God. Yeah, it's on fire. All right, y'all. So this was a very successful day. I linked up with some of the big YouTubers. You will see them tagged. The video is absolutely crazy. I had an amazing time, amazing experience. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All right, we about to get these 305s off. As y'all saw, we ate them all the way up, literally. There is nothing left. It's smooth. This is smooth. That is a smooth 305. There is nothing left. And we are headed inside, as you can see here. Let me show y'all. Yes, they are big. So let's roll them up now. All right, let's roll these up to Firestone. So we can get them put on.